Achieve Cristiano Ronaldo fitness at home. The CR7-inspired workout routine. Are you looking to achieve, just like Cristiano Ronaldo, peak fitness levels from the comfort of your own home? Are you struggling to find a high-intensity workout that targets multiple muscle groups just like CR7's training sessions? In today's video, we're going to explore the best home exercises inspired by Cristiano Ronaldo's training regimen to help you reach your fitness goals and unleash your inner CR7. Let's start. Feet Hopscotch. Feet Hopscotch is a dynamic footwork exercise where you alternate hopping from one foot to the other while maintaining a fast pace. Imagine the layout of a hopscotch game and mimic the movements by hopping on each foot consecutively. This exercise helps improve agility, coordination, and lower body strength. Brazilian footwork. Brazilian footwork involves quick and precise foot movements inspired by soccer players from Brazil. Move your feet rapidly in various directions, including forward, backward, and side to side, while maintaining control and balance. This exercise enhances agility, foot speed, and dribbling skills. Fast feet. Fast feet is a high-intensity footwork drill where you rapidly move your feet up and down in place, mimicking the motion of running in a confined space. Keep your feet light and quick as you maintain a fast pace for a set duration. This exercise improves foot speed, agility, and cardiovascular endurance. Forward-backward. Forward-backward drills involve moving quickly between forward and backward movements in a controlled manner. Start by moving forward with short, quick steps, then immediately transition into backward steps while maintaining balance and control. This exercise enhances agility, coordination, and directional change. Imaginary line sidewards. Imaginary line sidewards is a lateral footwork drill where you imagine a line on the ground and move sideways along it with quick and precise steps. Keep your feet close to the ground and maintain a steady rhythm as you move laterally. This exercise improves lateral quickness, balance, and agility. Sideward shuffles comb. Sideward shuffles comb involves shuffling laterally between combs or markers placed a short distance apart. Start by shuffling to one side, touching the cone or marker. Then shuffle back to the starting position and touch the other cone. Repeat this pattern while maintaining a low stance and quick footwork. This exercise enhances lateral agility, speed, and change of direction. Single to double leg raises. Lying single to double leg raises is an effective core exercise that targets the lower abdominals and hip flexors. To perform this exercise, lie flat on your back with your hand behind your head and legs extended straight out. Begin by lifting one leg towards the ceiling while keeping the other leg on the ground. Lower the lifted leg back down, then lift both legs simultaneously towards the ceiling, forming a double leg raise. Lower both legs back down to the starting position. Repeat the sequence, alternating between single and double leg raises,